Want to open your present? Oh, what is it? What is it, Zeta? Oh, what is it? Oh, Zeta. Oh, oh. Look. Yay, toys. Yay.
Nice diaper, Zeta.
That's pretty cool. They won't chew it up really fast. You like your toy? Say thanks, Grandma. Zeta, say thank you. Hey, say it. Speak. 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 Say. Speak. Good guy. Zeta. Speak. Good girl. All done.
Sarah's ugly.
No, she's not. You want this one? Let me get the things out. There you go, Zeta. Oh. That's their toy. Oh, and they squeak too. Well, get your toy. Get your toy. Let's see. Oh, she's so stupid. Zeta, let me see your toy. Can I see it? Thank you. Look. Yay! That's a cool present.
Sarah's like, which one do I get?
Zeta growls at her. She tries to get one. Oh, that's sad.
Sai, get your toy. Sai. Syra. Hey. Sai. Get your toy. Go get your toy.
Go get your toy. Sai.
Zeta's got them all over there.
Zeta.
Get your toy. Give it to Syra. Give it to Syra, Zeta. Give it to Syra. Good girl. Good girl.
But I'm gonna growl at you if you try to bite it.
Zeta. Give your toy to Sai. Good girl. Let's play tug of war.
Ow!
Okay, that was your fault.
That hurt. Hi, Sai. Oh, you don't need no toys, huh? That's sad. That's sad for you.
All done.
Yuck.
That's gross. Say Merry 23rd.
Merry 23rd.
Your head's gigantic.
No, I'm ugly right now.
Look at all the wrought iron on the wall. Look at our pretty brown door.
Look at our boxes by the door.
Show me your booby cleavage.
Quit.
Booby cleavage.
Turn it off.
If I turn it off, you can show me booby cleavage.
No.
Please.
No, Michael.
Just a little bit.
Stop it.
Come on.
You're ruining the video.
We'll cut it. We'll cut this part. Everyone's doing it.
Show Zeta. She's loving that toy.
Bye bye, doggy.